Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to be sharing this recipe with you today. So we'll be making an easy old-fashioned Nigerian sandwich. You can make this sandwich for your parties, picnics, gatherings and get-together, or you can simply have them as a snack. So this recipe brings back so much fond memories from my childhood, and that's why I always love making them. And the great thing about this sandwich is that you only need 3 basic ingredients: your bread slices, canned tuna and some butter. So the ratio of your butter to canned tuna is totally up to you. And you can also use sardines or any kind of canned fish that you may have. You can also use mayonnaise in place of butter and it will still turn out amazing. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing before you leave. Now for the first part of this recipe, I'll start off by draining out the oil from my tuna because we don't want our bread to get soggy. Be sure to drain out any oil or liquid from whatever canned fish you'll be using. Then I'll press my fish down to get enough oil out. Next, I'm going to be adding my tuna into my butter, then I'll start mixing. Remember that to make it easier for you to mix, you should be using room temperature butter. You are going to mix this thoroughly until everything is evenly combined. Now that my mixture has come together nicely, I'll proceed to spread the mixture on my bread slices. For this recipe, I'm using a combination of white bread and wheat bread, but whatever bread slices you have at home will do just fine. You'll find that you can make this sandwich effortlessly in minutes, and the kids can also join in, and everyone that eats it will definitely love it. Now this is what my sandwich is looking like. Next, I'm going to be covering with the second slice and we're going to be cutting off the crust. If you're still watching, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Next, I'm going to be cutting my sandwich into 4. You can cut your sandwiches into whatever shape that you like. You can cut them into squares, rectangles or triangles. You can also remove the crust even before you spread the mixture. It's totally up to you. And now this is what my sandwich is looking like. Next, I'm going to be repeating the same process with my wheat bread, but because the slices are smaller, I'm going to be cutting them into triangles. Now these sandwiches can be made up to 24 hours ahead of time. Once you're done making them, you're going to wrap them in a cling film. This step is so important so that your sandwiches don't dry out from exposure to air. Then you store them in the refrigerator until when you need them. And that's it for today's video. You can see that these sandwiches are so quick and easy to make. The kids can also join in. You can make them for your guests. The kids can have them as a snack, or you can also place them in their lunch boxes and they will totally enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed the video today or found it helpful. Please give the video a thumbs up. You can also share this recipe to your family and friends and leave me a comment in the comment section so that I'll know what you think. Thanks for sharing your time with me today. I always appreciate it. And until my next video, bye.